Hey everybody, Matt here. Thanks for stopping by. In today's video, we're going to take a quick look at the arm locking mechanism. So as I continue to look at the arm back here, I noticed something else. And we all know that you use this knob to lock the arm from flipping up. And when you want to move the arm up, you loosen this knob. You can raise the arm, change your blade, drop your arm back down, tighten the nut or the knob, and now the arm's held in place. But what if you over tighten it? The arm's still in place, but when you go to loosen the arm, the knob's nice and loose, but the arm's still locked in. So what's happening here, if I take the whole knob off, this piece right here is wedged in. So if I just take the blade of a screwdriver and pop it out, now I can move the arm. So let me show you how you would do that if the knob was still in place. I just took the knob off so it would be a little easier to see. Okay, so thread the knob back on, tighten it, over tighten it, loosen the knob. It's nice and loose, but the arm is still locked in. If I take the blade of a flat blade screwdriver and just place it right in there and just kind of wedge it, pry the little metal piece out, you hear it pop. Now the arm is free. You can do that one more time. Tighten, locked in. I'm going to over tighten, which causes the problem. Loosen the knob, and now listen for the pop, and you'll hear it free itself. There you go. And now the arm is free. So I thought I'd just mention that if any of you out there have one of these and are feeling frustrated because the arm gets locked in even though the knob is loose.